Let us do Brahmanand. Hello students. In this session we are going to discuss medical termination of pregnancy. In previous lectures we have discussed about various methods of contraception like barrier methods, chemical methods, IUDs, that are intrauterine devices, hormonal method and natural method. In hormonal method we have discussed the oral contraceptive pills, injectables and implants. In natural method we have discussed the periodic abstinence, coitus withdrawal and lactation amenorrhea. So far we have discussed mainly the female contraceptives except the physical barrier, that is condom, and the coitus withdrawal of the male contraception. For your knowledge, there are two male contraceptives are developed. Male contraceptives are developed. They are Gossipol and Risug. The Gossipol, Gossypol, Gossipol, is developed in China. Was developed in China. It is derived from the cotton seeds. It suppresses the sperm production and motility of the sperm. This is the oral contraceptive pill for the males. The RISUG, RISUG, it stands for Reversible Inhibition Sperm Under Guidance. This is an injectable developed by the scientists of IIT Kharagpur, India. Okay, now let us start the medical termination of pregnancy. What is medical termination of pregnancy? Yes, intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term, that is before fetus becomes viable, is called medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. In simple word we can say the voluntary removal of products of pregnancy before full term is called MTP. Nearly 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed in a year all over the world, which is 1/5 of the total number of pregnancies in a year. The medical termination of pregnancy, whether it can be accepted or legalized or not, is being debated in many countries due to the emotional, ethical, religious, social issues involved in it. Government of India legalized MTP Act in 1971 with some strict conditions to avoid its misuse. Restrictions are to check the indiscriminate and illegal female feticides. Indiscriminate means not to distinct. Illegal, that is the how the people will not go against the rule of the government. The female feticide is are reported to be high in India. Yes, still in different parts of our country, the female feticide is going on. The Act of 1971 states that the pregnancies can be terminated within a period of 12 to 20 weeks. Here the pictures are given. The picture of female feticide, how the female fetus is destroyed is shown over here. To stop this, the National Girl Child Day is observed on 24th January. Slogans are used like Stop Female Feticide, Save the Girl Child. Female feticide is the crime. Many amendments has been carried out over the MTP Act 1971. The recent one we can discuss, which is introduced in NCERT book. MTP Act 2017 was enacted by the Government of India with the intention of reducing or decreasing the incidence of illegal abortion and consequent maternal mortality, death of the mother, and morbidity. The mothers, those who become diseased, even after carrying out the MTP, mothers become diseased. According to this act, a pregnancy may be terminated on certain considered grounds within the first week, within the first 12 weeks, that is, first trimester of the pregnancy, on the opinion of one registered medical practitioner, one physician. If the pregnancy has lasted more than 12 weeks but fewer than 24 weeks, two registered medical practitioners must be of the opinion, formed in good faith, that the required ground exists. What is the ground exist? What is the ground permission? That is the permission or the concern of the physician. Okay, grounds of MTP are the continuation of pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of the pregnant woman or of grave injury, physical or mental health. Grave injury, the serious, intense injury, intense physical injury or mental injury. If there is any risk of the physical or mental injury of the mother, or if there is substantial risk that of the child were born, it would suffer from such physical and mental abnormalities so as to be seriously handicapped. That means we can say if the pregnancy is continued, the baby which will be born, if the baby will suffer from physical or mental abnormalities which will lead to seriously handicapped, then also MTP is approved. MTP is for that MTP, the ground clearance is easily achieved. Why MTP? The obvious, the simple answer is to get rid of unwanted pregnancy, which is caused due to casual unprotected intercourse, failure of the contraceptive method, that is, during the coitus, accidental pregnancies like the pregnancy due to the sexual assault like the rapes, or if the pregnancy is with any health hazard to mother or fetus or to both, as we have discussed. Why MTPs? The points are written over here. You can note down. Period of MTP. MTP are considered relatively safe during the first trimester, that is 12 weeks of pregnancy. It is more risky during the second trimester, that is 13th week up to the 27th week, as the fetus becomes intimately associated with the maternal tissues. As we know, First, intimate connection is intimate association started when the placenta is formed. The placenta is completely developed by the 10th week of the pregnancy. The placenta is formed by the participation of both maternal and fetal tissue. The fetal tissue is chorionic villi and the maternal tissue is the functionalis endometrium. Okay, however, MTP Act 2017 allows the termination of pregnancy up to 24 weeks of pregnancy, even allowed up to 28 weeks of pregnancy if the family physician and gynecologist consider the need of abortion. This limit is not applicable if there is an immediate necessary to save the life of the woman under the Section 5 of MTP Act. What is spontaneous abortion? Why we will discuss the spontaneous abortion here? Yes, we are discussing abortion means termination. This abortion, spontaneous abortion, is not a type of MTP. Yes, about 1/3 of all pregnancies abort, terminate spontaneously within 4 weeks of conception. Yes, remember 4 weeks of conception. That is the in general the standard length of the menstrual period. And as we know, in 28 days period, the ovulation occurs on 14th day. If after ovulation, just after ovulation, the fertilization is done, then within another means within the 2 weeks, that is during the secretory phase itself, in many women, the spontaneous abortion or the termination of pregnancy is done. That's why many women they are not aware of this pregnancy at all. Methods of MTP. Yes, MTP can be carried out by taking the pills or injections containing misoprostol, a prostaglandin, and mifepristone, and antiprogesterone. What is the function of prostaglandin over here? Yes, prostaglandin that influence the uterine smooth muscles for contraction so that it helps in expulsion of the fetus. And even prostaglandin stimulate the blood vessels for constriction, and it is resulted into the turnout of blood vessels by stopping the blood supply to the endometrium. So the growth of endometrium is ceased, and as the blood supply is stopped, the endometrium causes to sludge up. Mifepristone is an antiprogesterone. What is the function of antiprogesterone? Yes, as we know, the progesterone is the pregnancy hormone. It establishes the pregnancy. It just keeps the blood vessels wide so that the sufficient nutrient and oxygen can be supplied. Now, if antiprogesterone is used, the progesterone activity is checked. What checked? We can say it is stopped. Actually, the antiprogesterone compound they inactivate the progesterone receptors present on the endometrial cells. The next is vacuum aspiration or vacuum suction or evacuation. Okay, this is in this process the vacuum source is used, and surgical procedures. This vacuum evacuation and surgical procedures these are used in the second trimester. You see vacuum evacuation how the 9-week-old fetus is removed from the uterus by using some surgical instrument. There is no need of remembering the name of the instruments, but you just see how the fetus is removed through the vaginal canal, cervical and vaginal canal. Simply we can say through birth canal. Yes, this jar is fitted in the vagina to collect the blood, the endometrial tissue, that is decidua and other products. The embryo in 9 weeks used to use the term fetus. Okay, 9 weeks onwards, the embryo is known as fetus because the all the body parts are developed by this time. The embryo is removed, then the placenta and other tissues are removed. Here is the placenta, it is removed, and if any tissue is left out, they are also scraped out from the uterine cavity so that the infection will not take place. Surgical procedure. This is the case shown in how the fetus of 23 week is terminated. You see, 23 week. Here, the surgical instruments are used because to make the fetus into pieces, because already the muscles and bones are developed and bones became hard, so it cannot be removed through the vaginal canal. So the body parts, one by one body parts, are they pulled out from the fetus, you see over here, and at last, see the body parts how they are removed part by part, and at last the head is held by the surgical instrument and crushed, then it is pulled out. See one by one picture over here. The remaining body part are grasped, held, and pulled out. Head is also grasped. So emotional picture. The procedure is so heart touching. Methods of MTP on the basis of gestation period, as we have discussed. So far, what we have discussed, in the beginning of the first trimester, the mifepristone and misoprostol can be used. That is containing antiprogesterone and prostaglandin. It can be done up to 7 weeks, and along with these pills or injections, the medical abortion is carried out in the later part of the first trimester, that is up to 10 weeks. Then after, the vacuum aspiration is used up to the 16 weeks. Then the dilation and evacuation is carried out after 14 weeks, and induction is done in the second trimester, that is 13 to 27th week. The method of MTP depends upon the gestation period, length of the gestation period. Significance of MTP. What is the importance? It helps in getting rid of unwanted pregnancies. Such pregnancies which may be harmful or even fatal, means which causes death to mother or fetus or both. MTP plays a significant role in decreasing in size of human population. But remember, it is not meant for this. It is not meant for the decrease to decrease the human population, to decrease the size of human population. It cannot be considered as the method of contraception. Remember it. Now you see how the maternal mortality rate is decreasing with the with many health welfare programs. The government gives many helps aids to the pregnant women and the newborn babies. Even postpartum, that is after parturition also, the mothers are given special help by the government, special care by the government. Drawbacks: it is being misused to abort even the normal female fetuses. Majority of MTPs are performed illegally by unqualified quacks. Quacks means unqualified persons. Those who are not aware of, those who are not trained or aware of the medical profession. They are not medical professionals, which may be fatal if the MTPs are carried out performed illegally by the quacks. It may be fatal to the mother. Risk of the life is there. It has raised many emotional, ethical, religious, and social issues. You see the that developing fetus in the mother's womb. Here, after termination, how it is found on the hand of the palm of a person. So heart touching scene is this. Okay, thank you.